4.22.
Chittera prati sankramayas tadakara apato swabudhi samvedanam. Chittera prati sankramayas tadakara apato swabudhi samvedanam.
When the unchanging consciousness of the Purusha reflects on the chitta, the functioning of higher cognition, buddhi, becomes possible. Buddhi is the part of our consciousness that embodies discernment and higher intelligence. Similar to the ever-present radiance of the full moon, or Chandra, when Purusha reflects upon the chitta, buddhi emanates from our entire being. Like the full moon, after which remains whole, even when obscured by shadows during certain phases, with the awakening of buddhi, we are reminded that we too are always full, purna, even in times of darkness. When we remain for extended periods in this awakened state, the light of cosmic consciousness unfolds. Buddhi kindles in us an understanding of our inherent divinity, the realization of being an eternal, unchanging spirit. Radiating like the purna of Chandra and bathing in the light of our inner brilliance, we experience the fullness and the entirety of who we truly are. Sit in stillness and imagine the full moon, its reflection dancing upon the waves of a serene ocean at dusk. Notice the reflection of the moon upon the water, the ripples sometimes causing a turbulent reflection. Notice, despite the ripples, the moon remains full and whole in the sky. This purna is always present within you. Feel the radiant light enveloping you, infusing every cell and thought with clarity and wisdom. In this expanded awareness, remember, you are always full. Invoke the brilliance and peace of the full moon with the Chandra Bija mantra. Om Shram Shrim Shraum Saha Chandramase Namaha. Om Shram Shrim Shraum Saha Chandramase Namaha. Om. I invoke the energy of the moon, reminding me of my inner Shanti and fullness.